channel. It's me, Rocking India with JJ. Today I'm going to show you a new things and talk about new things and about the subject EVS. The chapter name is Food for Plants and Animals. Photosynthesis is life's care. You know that? Photosynthesis is the important thing of plants. Photosynthesis. All green plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. You know that all green plants will prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, the roots of the plant absorb water and minerals from the soil. These are carried by the stem to the leaves. The green leaves help us have a special substance called chlorophyll, which gives them the green color. The leaves prepare food with the help of chlorophyll, water, minerals, carbon dioxide they absorb from the air and sunlight. You know that during photosynthesis, the roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. They carry stem to the leaves. The green leaves have a special substance called chlorophyll, which gives them the green color. When the leaves prepare the food with the help of chlorophyll, water, minerals, carbon dioxide that is absorbed from the air and sunlight. Insectivorous plants. There are some plants that eat small insects and even small birds. They are called insectivorous plants. Plants do not move from their place. Then how do they catch insects or birds? These plants use different techniques to catch their prey. Let us find out. You know that some plants that eat small insects and even small birds. If you remain in the same place, then how do they catch their food? That means insects. Okay, now let's find out the different techniques of these plants. Venus flytrap. First example. The scent of the leaves of the plant attracts insect. The leaves look like jaws. As soon as an insect touches the air on their leaves, the leaves open very quickly and trap the insect. The plant produces a liquid slowly digests the insect. You know that a Venus flytrap has a very nice scent of its leaves that attracts the insect. It looks like a jaws. And if an insect touches on the hairs of that leaves, it will quickly open and trap the insect, and the plant will produce liquid and slowly digest it and remove the remaining parts of the insect. Pitcher plant. Example 2. The leaves of this plant are shaped like a pitcher. Insects are attracted by its brightly colored rim. As they sit on the rim of the pitcher, they get drawn inside. The hair-like structure on the walls of the pitcher make sure that the insect cannot come out. Inside the pitcher, they are digested with the help of the digestive juices. You know that the pitcher plant is like a pitcher, shaped like a pitcher, and the insects are attracted by its brightly colored rim. If an insect sits on the rim, the pitcher will quickly close it, and they will digest it by the digestive juices, and they will remain parts of the insect. Parasitic plants. Most plants make all food they needed by photosynthesis, but some spices are parasitics. They steal food from other plants known as host plants. Parasitic plants are special suckers that may invade the host plants' food channels and grow up sugars and minerals. Many parasitic plants are totally dependent on their host for food and no longer need green leaves. Others still have green leaves and make some of their food through photosynthesis. You know that every green plant will make their food through photosynthesis, but some plants known as parasitics will steal food from the other plants known as host plants. Parasitics have a very special suckers that may invade the host plant and channels draw off the sugars and minerals. Many parasitics are totally dependent on the host plants and no longer need leaves, but others still have green leaves, and they will and some of them on food through photosynthesis. Dodo. Dodo is a parasitic plant that cannot get photosynthesis at all. Its leaves are reduced to tiny brown scales. Since it has no green chlorophyll, it must obtain all its fruit from the host plant. Dodo is climber, and its weak stems twine around the host, producing suckers that invade the host and steal its food. You know that Dodo is a parasitic plant that cannot get photosynthesis at all. Its leaves are reduced to tiny brown scales, and it has no green chlorophyll at all. It obtains its food from the host plant. That Dodo is a climber that have weak stems twine around the host plant, producing suckers that invade the host and steal its food. Mycelium. Mycelium is parasitic that steals water and minerals from its host tree. But however, mycelium also has green leaves. It produces its own food through photosynthesis using water stolen from the host tree. You know that mycelium is also a parasitic plant that steals water and minerals from its host tree. But however, mycelium also has green leaves. So, mycelium will make some of their own food through the process of photosynthesis. You have seen these leaves in Christmas. People decorate with the leaves, and it looks so nice. How animals get their food? Animals do not make their own food. They depend on plants or other animals for their food. Some animals eat only plants. They are called herbivorous animals. Deer and panda are some herbivorous animals. You know that some animals will only eat plants. They are called herbivorous animals. Carnivorous animals. Animals that eat other animals are called carnivorous animals. Lion and wolf are examples. You know that some animals will eat other animals. They are called carnivorous animals. Omnivorous animals. Some animals eat both plants and animals. They are called omnivorous animals. Crows and bears are omnivorous animals. You know that some animals eat both plants and animals. They are called omnivorous animals. Food chain. Every living plant and animal needs energy to survive. Plants rely on soil, water and sunlight for energy. Animals rely on plants as well as other animals for energy. A food chain describes how different organisms depend on each other for food, with a plant and ending with an animal. For example, the grasshopper eats grass. The frog eats the grasshopper. The snake eats the frog. Talking about environment. Global warming. Human activities such as deforestation, burning of coal, petrol and natural gas have increased the amount of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane in the atmosphere. These gases are good at absorbing heat. They have caused the atmosphere to become warmer. The average temperature of the earth has risen by almost 0.6 degrees Celsius in the last 100 years. An increase in the average temperature of the earth due to increased greenhouse effect is called global warming. The increase in greenhouse gases is extended to raise the average temperature of the earth by 3.5 degrees Celsius over the coming decades. Two averages effects of global warming are: it destroys crops and upsets the natural life cycles of plants and animals. It burns storms and floods. It causes glaciers and ice sheets to melt at the North Pole and South Pole. Ozone hole. The atmosphere is divided into many layers. One of the layers is the star or film. Within the star film, there is a tiny layer of ozone gas. Ozone is a form of oxygen. The ozone layer is like a protective umbrella which protects the earth from harmful ultraviolet UV rays. In 1980s, scientists discovered a hole in the ozone layer. Research proved that the hole refrigerators and aerosol sprays. CFS can eat away the ozone layer. The ozone hole allows UV rays to reach the earth. These rays can cause skin cancer, eye problems, and weaken in the immune system of humans. These rays can also harm plants and animals. Acidic rain. Factories, power stations, and vehicles use fossil fuels such as coal, petrol, and natural gas. The burning of these fuels produces gas such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. These ions then fall in the form of rain. Air rain is harmful. It causes lung disease in humans. It kills plants. It kills animals living in lakes and rivers. It destroys bridges, buildings, and corridor structures. Thank you.